What is going on, guys? We are driving the 1100 wheel horsepower Shelby GT500. We're gonna go find a nice road in Mexico and see how she does. We also have a draggy, so what you think, Nick?
Hoping for fours.
So, you got the shirt on?
Yes, sir.
You wanna go to Mexico?
Yes, sir.
Link in description. Let's do it.
Yeah, we need to go towards it. I think we lost the draggy.
Oh my God. Oh, we broke something.
What is that?
Drive shaft? Holy f, this thing's fast. That was nasty though.
Did you record that?
Yeah. I don't know what just broke, but hopefully something stupid. Maybe wheel weights? I don't know.
Did you have them rebalanced or something?
No. You hear anything? I think we might have killed the drive shaft, maybe.
Drive shaft?
Yeah. Drive shaft, dude. Drive shaft or rear end.
Not the wheels, right?
Because look. Nothing.
If it was the wheels, it'd be doing it right now?
Yeah, if it was the wheels, it'd be doing it right now. Not doing anything in neutral.
Axles. They have axles.
Axles will be spinning right now, even in neutral. It's got to be
the weird thing with axles is they don't make noise until they're on the load.
Yeah. We'll go back and check it. First rip. Dude, it felt fast as
Yeah, I mean the draggy.
Oh my God. Alright, well we'll take a look at it. Yeah.
Think you got damage on the dyno?
I mean, it's possible. I think the transmission's done, dude.
Let it out again?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Put it in second and come out here and listen. I think it's the trans. The noise is coming from here.
That could just be clutch chatter.
No, that's the same noise. Put it in third, it gets really bad.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's clutch chatter. That?
Yeah. Yeah, the wheels are still spinning now. I can't tell if it's rear end or trans, dude. That's the same noise you heard though, right?
We getting more of a. That's what we're getting. Did you record anything with the camera?
Yeah. It's loud though. It's hard to tell with the exhaust.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
That was fourth gear that was making all that.
The fourth gear is where it got really loud.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Hey, Cody.
Yeah, it's definitely like really, really loose.
Is my trans blown?
It's a possibility, but right now we have a very loose upper control arm. So like those are known to prone to like if it's loose, it'll start like having that knocking noise that it was resembling. So I just want to make sure everything's checked over as far as suspension and drivetrain as far as the rear stuff, and let's hope it's that. The noise was a little concerning as far as a trans-related issue for me, but we'll start here first.
I am fingers crossed right now that is the issue so much.
That was very loose though, so.
But with stock motor, these things are 7,300. I mean, obviously they're gonna make 1,000 foot-pound torque, but still.
Yeah, I mean, Coyotes rev them out. Well,
Coyote swap cars, yeah.
What do you think?
Trans for sure.
Yeah, tightened up the upper control arm.
Yeah, checked over onto everything on the suspension. And
the noise, it sounds like it's coming from right here.
Yeah, it's coming right underneath the trans, so like right when you get underneath of it.
It still works fine, but it doesn't sound happy.
Yeah, it doesn't sound happy. I mean, just the gear set's off, or I don't know. I mean, that definitely doesn't sound like there's any teeth or anything broken in the gear sets. It's just something's off in the actual sliders. So, yeah, it's going to be a TRCD6T rebuild for sure. So that didn't last long, a lot shorter than I thought. I feel like we kind of jinxed ourselves though, because you're texting me multiple times saying, I think the trans are going to go. I think the trans are going to work.
I thought the rear end. I thought the rear end would be like.
Yeah, donezo first, especially off like a good.
I was not expecting the trans, but I mean that's a lot of torque and a lot of power.
Yeah, well, like I said, the RPM thing, like I said, it's not like the older style like I was telling Andrew a minute ago. I guess these things have RPM issues, so like when you start revving them out, extreme amount, that's when they start to see some kind of failure, especially at like 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, 900 to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. It's a lot. So, and at 7,500 RPM, it's taking a lot of abuse. So.
I wish there was like one way that we could know for sure. I mean, it's pretty obvious.
We'll drop fluid. I mean, if you want to, we can drop fluid real quick and then check over fluid. I mean, we'll definitely see something within that as well. So.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Dude.
Yeah. No big chunks, but it's a lot of metallic.
Yeah, that's enough to.
And that's past normal, so it's not like it's like. Usually sometimes you'll see a little bit in it, but nothing like that. That's past normal wear. So
that's some nice sparkles, man. Shoot. Now I need to talk to someone about building a trans,
now
dude.
You need a 6060 built, so.
I mean, I know a lot of people are gonna say like, just do a 6R80 real quick, but it's 6R80's a lot.
6R80, yeah. I mean, because like the trans itself, getting a 6R80 is not too expensive, but. You got to factor in that
the power that this is making.
He's gonna have to build it right out the gate, otherwise he'll just blow that up too. Because, I mean, 6R80 is a very stout transmission, but at 1,000 foot-pounds of torque stout, it's not. So it's just dialing into that, because I mean you're gonna need a relatively built trans. I mean, a good only one that's out of a box that would probably handle it would be a T56 Magnum, but at this point, I mean, the options are on the table. So
yeah, I have to figure out something. All right, guys. So. As you can see, we have a broken transmission. I got talking with Ben Calamer. We're going to be dropping this thing out Saturday. You guys are going to see the video of removing it. We'll probably drain the fluid and prepare this thing to ship. So we are actually going to be doing a stage 2 build. Before we go a little bit more into details, I just want to go ahead and announce the winner of the t-shirt giveaway that we did in the dyno video. If you guys missed the dyno video, go check it out. 1,100 wheel horsepower is no joke. So I actually put up a YouTube comment picker. It picks a random winner. So let's point the camera at the screen and I'll show you who won. All right, so just so you can see here, basically we just dropped the YouTube video URL just so I can show you, copy and paste. That is from the video the other day. Again, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But back over to here, we did that. We did get YouTube comments, amount of unique commenters, 233. come down here, and here is our winner, Lucian. So Lucian Christoph said, Jesus Christ, my 5.4 Lightning engine I built on 18 pounds only made 687 WTF, swap to a KB. So Lucian, go ahead and get in touch with me at Instagram, Facebook, my phone number, which is listed on the website, and we'll get a shirt and probably some stickers out to you. All right, so I want to do more of those because, you know, the merchandise stuff, I want to get you guys excited about it. I want to do a lot of different things with the merchandise and help support what we do. If you guys didn't see it, the new GT500 t-shirts right here, they're actually a really nice soft material. They are super nice, so I'm really happy with those, and I know people have received them already. We also have the new Mustang Lifestyle America decals. Go ahead, down in the description, pick one up. It helps support the channel, helps support the things we do, and obviously everything we do is not cheap, so it definitely helps out. So let's talk about the transmission. So obviously started making some noise. There is a high probability that it broke on the dyno or got hurt. So as I was driving through the neighborhood, nice and slow, I heard a little bit of noise, and then once we got out into you know, Mexico, we did one little test hit, and it was toast. So we've determined it's transmission by the noise, where it's coming from, the fact that it gets very bad in fourth gear, and when draining the transmission fluid, we saw some pretty good glitter. So unfortunately, we're going to be pulling the transmission out Saturday. We talked to Ben Calamer. We're going to be doing the stage 2 build, and he's actually going to film when he takes this apart. I already talked to him, and he's going to show, you know, what went wrong, and yeah, then we'll get it fixed back in the car. So a few more weeks and we'll have El Chapo back, and I'll hopefully be able to do my first full pull with the car. So in terms of transmissions, I don't know too much, I'll be totally honest with you. He said a breakdown of the rebuild or the stage 2 is a REM polish, Cairo treated carbon synchros, micro polished bearings, upgraded shift pads. He said he might be forgetting some other odds and ends, and obviously fixing, you know, what's wrong with the transmission currently. But he said this should be good to go mid to high 8s without a problem. Other people are running it with the car, and it should be good for our horsepower that we're shooting for. So anyway, guys, make sure you go check out Ben Calamer's Facebook page. I'm going to link it down below. He does a lot of MT82s, and I really thought I'd be hitting up Ben Calamer at some point to build an MT82. Obviously, we hit him up for a TR6060. Did I ever think we were going to break that thing so easily? I did not. But we did make a lot of horsepower. So make sure you show some love over at Ben Calamer's Facebook page. And yeah, so we'll get that transmission pulled out, pick up some merch, and yeah, make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next one.